Hello friends, welcome to our channel InfoFin. Today we will discuss about alpha of a stock. In this segment, we will also discuss about what is alpha positive, alpha negative values, some examples of positive and negative alphas, and at the end we will discuss about alpha strategies. So let's move on. What is alpha? Alpha in general, it's an indicator and it is used for investment performance. Basically, alpha is termed as if we are having some stocks or we are having one portfolio, the return of the portfolio or the return of the stocks compared to its benchmark index is termed as the alpha. Now what are the benchmark indices? If we hold some stock like HDFC Bank, like SBI, like Tata Motors, now these stocks are under the benchmark indices of Nifty 50. So if we consider a time frame, weekly, monthly or yearly basis, the return of these stocks corresponding to the return of the Nifty 50 is termed as alpha of the portfolio or alpha of these stocks. Now, if the return of these stocks or the return of the portfolio based on these stocks is more than that of the return generated by the index in last 1 year or last 1 month or last 1 week, we can term it as positive alpha. If the return is negative than the benchmark index, we can term it as negative alpha. Now, here are some examples. At today's scenario, while Nifty is at approximately 8,700, we are having Nifty 50 365 days percentage change in return, that is minus 24.09, and for monthly basis it is minus 27%. If we refer some stocks like Bharti Airtel, Nestle, HUL, these stocks are generating the return around 38%, 33 and 22% in this year, and also for change in 1 month these have already superseded the return of the Nifty 50. So these stocks, for the point of view of last 1 year or last 1 month, are generating alpha positive result. Similarly, if we consider GAIL, Indus IND Bank, UPL, ZEAL, etc., these stocks are generating a negative alpha or a negative return in comparison with Nifty 50 for last 365 days and last 30 days also. So these are the stocks or example for negative alpha. But remember, this positive alpha or negative alpha is a consideration of a particular time frame. Today these are termed as negative alpha or these stocks are generating negative return, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow or 1 month later the scenario may get changed and this may generate positive alpha also. Now another important thing is alpha strategy. We know the market is run by the big players, the big institutional investors, the foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors, hedge funds manager, etc. This alpha strategy are also used by these people in order to hedge funds to generate the good portfolio return. Remember, for any fund, positive alpha is very important, because positive alpha is treated as the advertisement of that particular fund. If the fund cannot generate positive alpha, then nobody will choose that fund. So for the fund managers, it is also a good indicator which they follow, and it is necessary for all the investors by looking upon which they may invest or take the fund as per their requirement. So friends, this is it for alpha. I think if people have gained some knowledge or if people have learned some important things on alpha, we don't recommend you to invest or trade with our suggestions or recommendations. Since this is an educational channel, we are providing you some guidance, we are providing you some knowledge on financial background. If you like it, please share and subscribe our channel for motivating us and also for your free learning.